The template provides sample content that can be used for a company operating in the industry. Users can feel free to use as they wish. Utilizing the plug-and plan template, the user will see on the first line there is a yellow highlighted area to type the name of the company. In the second paragraph, there is a blue highlighted area where users will type in the location of where they will be headquartered and operating. If the company will be a small business operating virtually and/or out of a home office, users can add the country, city, state, and neighborhood of where it will be. If there will be an actual office space or a brick-and-mortar business with a storefront, then put those details here when they are known. Type in here what will best suit the specific situation. There is written content for a business operating in the industry the company will be in. Read through the narrative and change anything needed in order to match up exactly to the proposed company. Users are welcome to keep the sample narrative supplied by the template. Hello and welcome to the Business Plan course. This course takes students through creating a business plan. Each section of the business plan is covered with a tutorial and then followed by example content for a company operating in the industry. There are 3 options for writing your own company business plan using the hybrid business planning documents. 1. Watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan. Then, use the template format to write your own plan from scratch. 2. Watch the videos to learn what is in each section of the business plan. Then, use the plug-and-plan template and modify the sample content to fit your specific business. And 3. Use the plug-and-plan template. This template has yellow and blue highlighted areas where users can simply type in specifics for their company, utilize all the sample and example content, and have a completed business plan. The plug-and-plan template provides sample content that can be used for the marketing and sales strategy of a company in the industry. If users have some specific marketing methods that are not mentioned, feel free to add them. Cover page tutorial and instructions. A cover page for a business plan provides information about the business, such as name of the company and contact information. On the cover page of the plug-and-plan template, users will need to insert the name of their company in the yellow highlighted space. Also, on the cover page are some blue highlighted spaces where they will want to enter contact information. The template comes with spaces for name, email, and phone, and users are welcome to add address if they would like. Users may also want to paste their logo if they have one onto the cover page. There is a placeholder design here which can be kept or clicked on and deleted and replaced. Users of the template can add several different cover page designs by clicking on the Insert tab on the top of the Microsoft Word menu. Once there, to the far left will be the cover page option. Table of Contents Tutorial and Instructions. The table of content for a business plan details what is in the plan, the sections, headings, and page numbers. The Plug-and-Plan template has a table of contents that can be updated to reflect any changes made to the document. Once users have completed customizing the whole business plan, they can come back here and click on the table. A tab will open above the contents. Enter this tab which says Update Table. Click the Update Table wording on the tab and a pop-up that says Update Table of Contents will appear. The options will be Update Pages Only or Update Entire Table. Typically, Update Entire Table is appropriate. Then click OK. The table of contents will then automatically update. Confidentiality Agreement Tutorial and Instructions. Next is the Confidentiality Agreement. The template provides content to protect the company from unauthorized use of information obtained from the business plan. Users are welcome to utilize the sample agreement but encouraged to seek legal counsel of their own since we are providing no legal advice and only providing a sample or example template document. There are several yellow highlighted areas where users are required to enter the name of their company. There are blue highlighted spaces as well where information on the individual signing the agreement will be entered. Products and/or Services Tutorial and Instructions. In the Products and/or Services section, an explanation will be given on what the product and/or service is. Details should be provided to give the reader a clear understanding of the characteristics and features of any and all products and services. This section can vary greatly depending on the products and/or services. When using the Plug-in Plan template under the Products and Services section, users will want to type in the specific products and/or services the company will be offering. There is sample content for a company in the industry that can be used as a base guideline or utilized as is. Management and Organization Tutorial and Instructions. Management and organization are the next section of the business plan. The first subsection here details management. The individuals responsible for operating and overseeing the company should be listed. The next subsection is organization. Here, the template supplies an organizational chart. The chart is in the form of a smart art graphic which shows the organizational structure of the company. Here, the names and titles of the individuals who will be running the company should be detailed. Other employees, contractors, board members, etc. can be inserted into the organizational chart. Often, small businesses may have a limited number of employees. In this case, it is acceptable to detail outsourced help and resources such as an attorney, accountant, etc. It is important to identify any and all required personnel to run the company. If the specific individuals needed have not yet been identified, entering TBA, to be determined, is an option. Utilizing the Plug-in Plan template, users will want to add the bios or profiles for the key team members of their company in the blue highlighted area that is pasted in as a placemark. There is an organizational chart which is in the form of a smart art graphic. Click the graphic to enter the different areas of the organizational chart. Users can fill in and edit the team members and their position in the graphic. Appendix, Tutorial, and Instructions. Lastly, there is an appendix which includes assumptions and references. An appendix in a business plan is a section at the end that provides additional information on the topics explored in the contents of the plan. The assumptions are typically depreciation, income increase, cost of sales, and fixed expense increase, but can be varied depending on the specifics of the company. Also, in the appendix, there is typically detail on the equity ownership of the company and references for research used in the plan. The template has an appendix pasted into the business plan Word document. The assumptions are taken from the Excel worksheets, and users can paste in their own specific assumptions based on their exact venture after completing the Excel workbook. Users of the Plugin Plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own appendix.